everybody, Pete back again. Carpizzo's Kitchen is here with part 2 of cutting up the chicken. So we've now cut up the chicken, and I've taken the bones out of the breast. As you can see, there's no bones here. And we have 2 wings, we have 2 half breasts, and we have 2 legs and thighs. So now let's cut our legs and thighs. And if you look right here, there's a piece of fat. This is where my knife is going. This is your dotted line, so that will be your joint. Just put your knife right in there. Put your knife right in there. And this will come, just cut it nice and smooth right there. Now you've got 2 pieces. Same thing on this side. We see another piece of fat. Put your knife there, and right there we'll cut your leg and thigh apart. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces there, and 2 wings. Here's our beautiful wings. Look how big and meaty these are. They're going to be delicious later. And we have a half a breast, which we're going to cut right down the middle in half. So now we have 2 more pieces, and we're going to do the same thing with this breast here. Cut this breast, tenderloin and all, right in half. So now what I've done is made our 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 piece chicken, which we are going to later on, here we have it, all cut up, bread, Italian style, and air fry for our air fryer fried chicken. So we'll see you all later. Thanks for watching our channel. Subscribe, please. And remember to cook, eat, and enjoy everything you're doing, because we only live to enjoy what we eat, and we eat what we enjoy. Pete out.